The beautiful questions under share surrender approach are probably one of the best questions under share surrender approach. You will not find out many questions under share surrender approach. So I put lot of restrictions as far as this question is concerned. If you look at the internal reconstruction, as I said, there are two approaches. First approach, capital reduction approach, which is the easy one. Whereas the share surrender approach, it is also easy, but amongst the easy, slightly standard, especially this problem because of the language, where some places we may not understand the language carefully, we may not interpret the language carefully. That's one of the beautiful questions. Okay, let us go through it. Kirti, read.
The summarized balance sheet of Revise Limited as at 31st March 2012 were as follows.
So look at the name. The company is formed only to revise. The name itself says Revise Limited. I'm here only to Revise Limited. Like some of you, when you start your company, say LBM Limited. So the name goes hand in hand with our next.
Liability, authorized and subscribed capital, 10,000 equity share of rupees 100 each, fully paid. Unsecured loan, 12% debenture, accrued interest, current liability, trade payable, provision for income tax. Asset, fixed asset, machinery, current asset, inventory, trade receivable, bank profit and loss account. It was decided to reconstruct the company, for which necessary resolution was passed and sanction were obtained for appropriate authorities. Accordingly, it was decided that A, each share is subdivided into 10 fully paid up equity share of rupees 10 each. B,
So
subdivision.
as of now, we have 100 rupees share. Any change in the capital structure is called what? Internal reconstruction. Any change, isn't it? Okay. Now you have to be extremely careful with the language what she uses. Take extra care. Read.
B, after subdivision, each shareholder shall surrender to the company 50% of his holding for the purpose of reissue to debenture holders and trade payable as necessary. C, out of share surrender, 10,000 share of rupees 10 each shall be converted into 12% preference share of rupees 10 each, fully paid up.
So they use the word share surrender. That means it's a share surrender approach. Continue.
D, the claim of the debenture holder shall be reduced by 75%. In consideration of the reduction, the debenture holder shall receive preference share of rupees 1 lakh, which are converted out of share surrendered. E, trade payable claim shall be reduced to 50%. It is to settle by issue of equity share of rupees 10 each out of share surrendered. F, balance sheet of P&L account to be balance of P&L account to be written off. G, the share surrender and not reissued shall be cancelled. B, student of CAP with support of Shetty sir required to show the journal entry giving effect to the above and result balance sheet.
I love this. Okay. Now, if you look at this question, 2-3 points you should note. One is about which approach. The name only suggests somewhere. They surrendered the share. 2-3 places they use the word. Just slightly come down. So this means it's a share surrender. The language of point numbers D and E are extremely important. Point number D and point number E are extremely important. We'll see that one by one. Come down. Come little down. Come down. Okay. So we have the solution also here. I'm not going to go through the solution as of now. Now first let us understand the concept. Then we'll get into the solution. Right on, all of you. Question number 2. Page number
515.
515 of CAPS material. It is evidently available on the board also. Revise Limited. Note number 1. Your working notes are extremely important. Your question paper itself says on the top, working notes form part of your answer. In accounts, 80% of the marks you'll be getting for working notes. 80%. Okay. But every question has lot of working notes, assumptions, presumptions, disclosure requirement. Take extra care on that. Okay. Start. Device limited. Number one. Code number one. The question uses the words.
Surrender.
Yes. The question uses the words surrender. It means it is a shared surrender approach. Number two. There are two approaches for internal reconstruction. Two approaches. We in CAPS we go by charts approach. We should always go by charts because we are going to be
Chartered accountant.
yes, chart accountant. Chartered accountant. Yeah. So two RMRs. Left side. Capital reduction account approach. Capital reduction account approach. Below that, you write. All transactions are routed. All transactions are routed through
This account.
yes, through capital reduction account. Capital reduction account. Right side, share surrender account approach. Within the bracket, you can make a symbol of Caesar. You know Caesar? Country.
Yes, sir.
Don't write your name. In the bracket, Caesar. SCISSOR. Close the bracket. It's just to give, add some extra power to my memory capacity. That's why I use the word Caesar. Share surrender means Caesar. What is Caesar? Cut. So same account, we are going to cut into two pieces. Below that, right? Under this approach, the capital reduction account is split into two RMRs. Left side,
Share surrender account.
share surrender account. It is absolutely similar to that only. Share surrender account. Right side,
Capital reduction account.
capital reduction account. Below share surrender, you write all transactions related to shares. Yesterday we had a beautiful discussion on the theory aspect. All transactions related to shares are routed through this account. Full stop and continue. The ultimate balance is
Transfer capital reduction.
very good. Transfer to capital reduction account. Right. Capital reduction account. I hope all of you recall the theory perfectly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Next. Working note number 3.
Code, so
Okay.
we should presume that
Working note for whatever. Now, okay. So leave some space. Maybe for one page you leave for working notes. One page you require for interpretation of English. Minimum one big page. बड़ा है तो बेहतर है. Now go on to main answer. Revise limited. Journal entries. Revise limited. Journal entries. In the bracket, internal reconstruction under share surrender account approach. Very rarely you will find out this kind of questions in any books. Please take extra care. Share surrender account approach. So write the format. By writing the format, you will not get extra mark. By not writing, you lose the mark. That's the beauty of professional course evaluation. Take extra care of that. Emandi, Matigaro. Aim silent low. And shy is coming. Feeling shy. Shy coming or feeling shy? Modern English. Do that. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing is what? Each share is subdivided into shares.
10 fully paid up equity share of rupees 10 each.
Yeah. After that, what they do? They are going to surrender. You can write two separate entries, or you can merge and do it. Being a systematic approach person, I want to go by step. Small a. What will be the entry? You tell me for converting 100 rupee share into 10 rupee share.
Equity
share capital within the bracket
100 account debit to equity share capital within the bracket rupees 10.
Perfect. Excellent. There is nothing. Just share capital to share capital. But within the bracket is important. Like 12% preference share capital and 15% preference share capital are not same. Here within the bracket, when you write, it will become a two separate name itself. No doubt. Very good. Excellent. Equity share capital account within the bracket rupees 100 debit. Within the bracket rupees 100. Those who want to know, you just they can slightly reduce the screen. This first entry. I don't want you to see the entries as such, but just for yeah, enough. Yeah, but anyway, they have gone by merger approach. I want to go by one approach. Equity share capital within the bracket 100 account debit. 2. Equity share capital within the bracket rupees 10. Within the bracket rupees 100, underline in red ink. Now within the bracket rupees 10, you underline in green ink. Green ink means you can go ahead. Then traffic thicker. Green means go ahead. So now onward, we are going ahead only with rupees 10. Understanding? Your color combination also.
Yes, sir.
You should be happy for it. Try to use that multiple colors. Variety is the spice of life. When you have colorful notes, you'll be very happy to read also. Isn't it? Yeah. So equity share capital account, which is the bracket rupees 100, debit 2, equity share capital account, which is the bracket rupees 10. Amount 10 lakh. Just go back to the question. Don't show the answer. Where people will get confused. Yeah. Little bit. Yeah, enough. Yeah. Enough. That's enough. Being 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. Subdivided into. Cheppandi.
1 lakh equity shares of 10 each.
1 lakh equity shares of
Wide
rupees
view.
10 each. Excellent. 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Wide VIDE. Wide means with reference to VIDE. Wide BOD resolution dated. Wherever there is a share capital, BOD reference should be made. Because board of directors are the ultimate authority on shares. So articles of association very categorically mentions about it. Interconnect accounting with the law subject. If you don't do that, there will be a lot of mistakes and frauds. Then the next subject, auditing, comes into picture. So accounts and law, if you don't interconnect correctly, there will be a lot of mistakes. If there is a mistake, then auditing. Okay. So detection of errors, detection of frauds, then giving an opinion, etc. So 3 subjects should be interconnected always. Right. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B. What did they do after subdivision? They surrendered. Surrendered how much? 50%.
50%.
Write down. What will be the entry? Whatever is the creator there, you should debit it now. So life is a process of cancellation.
Cancellation.
Simple maths. Plus minus, plus minus. You don't require any formula like chemistry, physics. Only add, minus. Add, minus. Correct now? What, Mati?
Yes, sir.
Once you say this, it's final. Yeah. So, write down. Equity share capital account, which is the bracket rupees 10 debit. Equity share capital account, which is the bracket rupees 10 debit. 2.
Share surrender.
Share surrender account.
Share surrender account.
Share surrender account. Share surrender. Equity share. Wait. Equity share capital account. It is a bracket rupees 10.
10.
How much? 5 lakh.
5 lakh.
5 lakh. 2 share surrender account 5 lakh. So what they have done is combined entry. I prefer to do it in a 2 separate journal entry. It is easy, systematic approach. 5 lakh being 50% of the newly formed shares. 50% of newly formed shares surrendered. Ready? Now you are very careful. 10 lakh shares we have. Out of the 50% surrender, that means other 50% is continued.
Yes, sir.
Go to the working notes. It is always a simultaneous process. When a doctor went to, listen, look at me, slight deviation just to tell you how simultaneously it should happen. A doctor went to car mechanic, car garage, and his car had to be repaired. He was doing the repair, and the car mechanic asked, "Sir, I and you, both of us do actually same kind of job. You just do the operation of the human being. I do the operation of the car. Whereas I am paid a small peanut, a 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, whatever, but you are paid huge amount, 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh. Why such a difference?" So the doctor says, "I do the operation when the engine is on." I think that's it. So you are switching off the engine, you are doing it. Whereas I'm not doing an operation for a dead person. So the engine is on, the life is on. So I do the operation. There is a reason why I am paid. So that is where your skills are always given extra recognition. This is the beauty of this professional course. Okay. So a BCom student and a professional student, the difference is, probably with due respect, okay, BCom is also important. So the difference between what you call the car mechanic and a doctor. Doctor has to have extra skills, extra knowledge, profession. The definition of profession under section 2 within bracket 36 of Income Tax Act. Okay. When we discuss under PGBP, okay, I will discuss that later. Okay. So at that time you understand. So the simultaneous process here also, you're doing the working note also, mean answer. It's not like your traditional PUC become one side you do working note, one side you do the mean answer. Yes, sometimes it may work out where do all the working notes. Then you do the main answer for it. But in this kind of question, you need to do simultaneously. So keep the working notes on, keep the main answer on. Agreed? And in the examination, you can start with the main answer. You have a reasonable idea about how much space is required. Half page extra only you leave. Then you start the working note. So that you can keep on filling the answer as and when you complete. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Write down. Working note number 3. Total amount of new share capital created. Total amount of new share capital created. That is shares of rupees 10 each. Middle of the page, rupees 10 lakh. Rupees 10 lakh in the middle of the page. Then put 2 arrow marks. Am I conveying it easily? You want extra notes? All of you will understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Left side. Shares surrendered. Shares surrendered. 50%. 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Within the bracket, you write P. P for Pankaj. Right side. Balance 50%. Balance 50%. Continued with the existing shareholders. Continued with the existing shareholders. 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Within the bracket, Q. Redding Calvary. Right in Redding. Q and double underline. That is it. That's it. Right side is done. That's it. Nothing more than that. So 5 lakh will cut. So why I gave P and Q? Because see, if it is 60-40, I will not have a confusion. 50-50, which 50% Shetty sir is referring, whether he's talking about P or Q. Whenever there is a 50-50, there's always a dangerous. So you need to know whether you're talking about a left side 50%, right side 50%. Have a conceptual clarity. CA course is a course of concept. So the right hand side, Q. That's it, full stop. So they are continued. Now come to the left side. Left side. Below the left side, P, right? To be utilized. Subsequently, for reissue, debenture holders, etc. So right side P, Q we are not talking about. You have a complete clarity now. So which 50%?
Yes, sir.
Very clearly which 50% you are talking about. Which 50% you are talking about. Next. Okay. Next, very important. Read that point. C.
Out of shares surrendered, 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each shall be converted into 12% preference share of rupees 10 each fully paid up.
Yeah, I will give you 1 minute time. I want all of you to chat the journal entry. All of you chat the journal entry for this. What is the journal entry? All of you. Yeah. Online or offline, there should not be any difference. So that's what we're trying to do at CAPS. Online also we have the question, offline also we have the question, and it easily can be replaced. Yeah. Yeshu, very good. Shravanya, very good. Kirti, Jayanti, Sudiksha, then Triti, Sandhya, Spandana. You're not Spandana, you've done something, I don't know. I didn't understand. Nishita, very good. Suhas, it is not right. Kritik, it is not right. Aishwarya, it is not right. Next, continue. It's okay, no problem. Even if wrong, no problem. Akshita, very good. Yeah. Don't talk, Mati and Kirti. Yeah. Payal, I don't know, she wrote something to it off. Yeah. Siddharth, Pawan Kumar, Shashikala, very good. All of you chat. It's possible. Don't give an excuse to what? Technical errors, then what you call network issue, etc. See the course for what? Prosperity in adversity. Whatever problem, we are going to be there above that. And at CAPS, we try to say, no problem is a problem for us. Everything is a challenge. Yeah. And just a gentle reminder, today evening we have yoga session. So 7 to 8, every Tuesday now onwards, there will be yoga session. Just like a follow-up session. I have already told you, half an hour to 45 minutes daily you have to do it. And this is like along with the guru you are doing. Okay? Fine. Ashok, it may not be right. Aditya may not be right. Ravindra, it is not right. What about others, sir? Yesterday, good number of times, repeated in the notes. There is no entry. Still, many people have given so many imaginary entries. From where you got, I don't know. When I said yesterday, these people, why this person is repeating so many times, we understood. I had told, I made you to recall. Keep your, hand near the brain, something like that. Share surrender. When you convert it into another share, it's just like printing a certificate. Didn't I mention?
Yes, sir.
If I mention that, why do you do a mistake? You should not do that. Now continue. So, working note number 4, extremely important. There is no entry for conversion of one category of security into another category. Extremely important. We are told you to put a box also yesterday. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Then why
Yes, sir.
so many people have forgotten so easily, so fast? This is one of the common confusion questions. We will get debit credit. There is no entry at all. There is no entry for what? Conversion of what do you write?
One security to another security.
The conversion of one security into another security. Dash, right? It is merely like change the form of the certificate.
Make import mark. Make import mark. Many of you are given wrong answer. Make import mark. Box. Make import mark in red ink, green ink, box hakkoli. Make import mark. So let me repeat that note just for understanding purpose. Continue the same note. In other words, it is beautifully given in the theory. The last chart of yesterday's class.
Yes, sir.
In other words, 3 arrow marks. First one, green ink. Entry. When there is a share surrender. Second arrow mark, red ink. No entry. Have some fun, have some whatever, to remember the things. Even after that, if you don't remember, God bless all of us. Red ink, no entry, nahi hai, ledu, illa, no entry, G. No entry. Below that, red. When there is a conversion of a security into another security. Here they said they converted it to equity share preference. It may be debenture bond, whatever they say, no entry. No entry. Make import mark. Make import mark. Especially those who give the wrong answers. Write 2 times. Last arrow mark. Third arrow, green ink again. Entry only when it is issued, say, to creditors, debenture holders, creditors. When they issue it, you have to pass an entry. Understanding, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah. Now all of you keep your pen down. Literally keep your pen down. Point number D. Read slowly. Yeah.
The claim for the debenture holders shall be reduced by 75%.
What? What? Reduced by?
75%.
Repeat.
75%.
Reduced by 75%. Underline that. Those are the printed material. All of you have caps material in your hand. So, underline the word claims. Claims and the green ink circle. Reduced by 75%. You can use the same language. No problem. Yeah. So, excellent. Yeah. Green ink and reduced by 75%. Excellent. Continue, ma'am.
In consideration of the reduction, the debenture holders shall receive preference share of rupees 1 lakh which are converted out of share surrender.
Yeah. In a red ink, in consideration of the reduction, I am not teaching you accounts now. I am going to interpret the English. That's the beauty of this question. Yesterday's normal lengthy question maybe would have taken very less time to prepare, complete. But this question will take extra time to understand. Okay. Now read the same thing again, Sandhya. Same point.
The claims of the debentures holders shall be reduced by 75%. In consideration of the reduction, the debenture holders shall receive preference shares of rupees 1 lakh which are converted out of the shares surrendered.
Yeah. Now, Sri Ganesh, read again. I'm just making you to read in a different perspective so that no one misses interpretation. Sri Ganesh, can you read? Possible? Some technical error. Sharanya, read.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The claims of the debenture holders shall be reduced by 75%. In the consideration of the reduction, the debenture holders shall receive preference shares of rupees 1 lakh, which are converted out of the shares surrendered.
Right. I'll give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Tell me what may be the entry. Don't write in pen. Pencil you can write down and you can tell me the entry. Think and give me the answer. Anybody? Yeah. Anybody? Open to public. Okay. Right. So think and give me the answer. First think 1 or 2 minutes. Write down in a pencil. Okay. And then tell me the entry. Here if you want to chat, you can chat. and I want the entry with the amount. I thought with the amount. Here I want item also, amount of everything perfect with the amount. Okay. Now let me reframe the question. Let's go step by step. All of you must chat. What is the net income to the company, net gain to the company because of this statement? All of you chat. All of you chat. By this statement, okay, what is the net ultimate income to the company? $50,000, no extra, no gain extra, 50,000. 50,000. Very good. Next. Jayant, I think somewhere you are there. Very good. Jayant, I think one reasonably right answer. Not complete answer probably, but very good. Jayant. Yeah. Next. One student has observed something. Apart from him, anybody else? No, no, we'll see. See, this is where English plays vital role in CA course. English plays vital role in CA course. What is the word which we have, what do you call, underlined in green ink, which is available on the board? What is the word?
Claims.
Claims.
You know, claims.
Claims.
So now what we are all used to see, green sari concept. Oh, green sari is mine anta. Don't go by that. Don't go by that. Okay. The word used is claims. In the balance sheet, 12% debentures 2 lakh. Accrued interest on what?
Debentures.
Debenture.
Yes, sir.
They are not given, it is on debentures, but when you have debentures on the top and there is nothing, no other loan or liability, it should be related to that. First point. The total claim of the debenture holders is 2,24,000. First mistake, which most of you have done. Most of you, except 1% or 2%. Okay. Nobody has given the right answer yet. Clearly. So, no problem. 2,24,000 into 75%. So, they are going to forgo 1,68,000. It shall be reduced by 1,68,000, for which we are going to give them 1 lakh. That means the net gain is 68,000. I don't think anybody has given the answer. Okay. So, that is the first point, first clue to you. Now, if this is the case, tell me the entry. Or the entries. Anyone? Yeah. Not too complicated. Don't think like Vishweshwara third. Oh, it's too complicated. Not so complicated, but still, okay, still you can apply your mind and give me the answer. Chota pataka, bada dhamaka. That's the beauty of CA course. Any small question will always have tricky adjustments. Big questions normally will be easy. Remember this extra point. Normally, lengthy questions, you will not have patience. No, that's why it will be easy. Lengthy questions have patience. Answer is almost inbuilt in the question. If it is a small question, they will have some extra tricks. Take extra care. Okay? Okay, write down. All of you write down. Anyhow. So now I'll help you out. Next adjustment, you should only help me out. Okay, ready? Deal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Start. Working out number, whatever. So remember that P, 5 lakh rupees we have. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes,
down.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Voice also can respond. Yeah. Next. Very important. Working out number, whatever. Claims of debenture holders. I think Sandhya, your entry is correct. One entry is correct. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. The reason why you are rank holder at every level. Nice. Very good. You have applied your mind very well. Very good. Excellent. But still you have to give one more entry. All of you, right? Claims of debenture holders in the balance sheet. claims of debenture holders in the balance sheet. Correct, but it's not complete, Rachita. Okay, continue. Good, again, Rachita, you are also right, but it's not complete. Very good. Claims of debentures holders in the balance sheet is equal to debentures 2 lakh plus accrued interest or outstanding interest. That's why you have to be extremely careful with the language. Extremely careful. Outstanding interest 24,000 is equal to 2,24,000. Extremely important, my dear friends. 2,24,000. Make a circle for 2,24,000. Under that, two big arrow marks. Two big arrow marks. Kirti Garo, continue. Yeah. Two big arrow marks. Kirti, share surrender comes only when there is a share, not for debentures. It's a little confusing entry. It's okay. I'll come to you. Yeah. No problem. You tried. So, two big arrow marks. That side. Reduction 75%. Reduction by is different from 2. Reduction by, reduction 2. Don't go for by 2. Then by 2 coffee pina padega. Yeah. By 2 coffee shop is also closed now. So by what?
75%.
75%.
Reduction by 75%. That is 2,24,000 into 75%. 1,68,000. You don't require a calculator for this. 2 lakh into 75%, you know 1,50,000. 24,000 divided by 4 is 6,000. 6 3 is 18. 150 plus 18 is 2-3 seconds exercising the small chip God has sent along with this body part. Let us use it. Yeah. So 1,68,000. Right side. Therefore, balance of the debenture holders claim to be continued. Balance of the debenture holders claim to be continued. Am I fast?
No, sir.
You're comfortable, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Balance of debenture holders claim to be continued is equal to 25%. 25%. That is
56.
50,000. Debentures 50,000. And accrued interest or outstanding interest. 24,000 into 25% is 6,000. So 50,000 and 6,000. Below that red ink color, double underline and full stop. That's it. Right side scale cut off. Ho gaya. Barabar. So they said that it will be reduced by what, Mahati? Any confusion? 75%. Right side will continue. Now look at the language. In consideration of the reduction, how much did they reduce?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
60.
Language interpretation. So below the left side. So reduction we are talking on the left side. So below the left side, 1 lakh below that, right? In consideration of such reduction, I am using one extra word here to make it more beautiful. In consideration of such reduction, company issues preference shares of rupees 1 lakh. Preference shares of rupees 1 lakh out of P Supra. Somewhere at the top here, Supra means as shown above. On the left hand side, they have surrendered 50%. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So now you should have a mental clock, mental track. 5 lakh was there, 1 lakh rupees you issued. What is the balance?
4 lakhs.
4 lakh.
Brilliant, brilliant. Okay. Out of P Supra. Next line. Below the left side only, one second, below the left side only. Therefore, net benefit to the company. Chalonge. Lavanya, Mercy. Net benefit to the company is equal to 1,68,000 minus 1 lakh. 1,68,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 68,000. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1,68,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 68,000. Below that, you write, since it is a share surrender account approach, beauty, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ confusion, I know that, little confusion will have, but only by practice you will become perfect. Practice makes everyone perfect. Yeah. What is the point?
Since it is a share surrender account approach.
The entries to be passed are, two big grammars. Always go by chart. Or one by one. One entry, second entry. But better is chart. Psychologically proven. Left side. All liabilities accounts show which balance?
Credit balance.
Credit balance.
Transfer करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Debit.
12% debentures account debit amount.
1,50,000.
60,000.
12% debentures account debit. Within the bracket, 2 lakh into 75%. Always have the habit of writing. Intelligence is being more extensive in writing. 2 lakh into 75%, 1,50,000. Next, one more debit. Exclude interest account. Within the bracket, 24,000 into 75%. 18,000.
18,000.
To greening curly, right? To greening capital reduction account. It is not shares related. Since it is not shares related, you have to go by what? Capital reduction account. It cannot be share surrender. Kirti.
Yes, sir.
To capital reduction account, 1,68,000. To capital reduction account, within the bracket, 1,68,000, whatever you got, X1. Simply. X1. Right side. So you're issuing the shares out of what?
Share surrender account.
Debit it. Share surrender account debit. Share surrender account. Again, reading you can use. Share surrender account debit. 1 lakh. X2, which is the bracket X2. To 12% preference share capital account. Entry comes only when you issue the shares. To 12% preference share capital account. How much? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So read the entries. One second before that. Share surrender account within the bracket X2. Share surrender account within the bracket X2. So below, completely below that. Therefore, net benefit to company. Ready?
68,000.
X1 minus X2.
X3 is equal to X1 minus X2. Have a clarity. X1 minus X2 is equal to 68,000. X1 minus X2, 68,000. So all of you keep your pen down. Let me explain this. It is slightly complicated interpretation. People, obviously at your student level, will have little interpretation issue. Don't worry. First point is claims. We have done a blunder there. Claims of the debenture holder means whatever amount payable to them. Debentures 2 lakh rupees dena hai, 24,000 rupees interest dena hai, put together 2,24,000 into 75%. So that means 1,68,000 is the benefit we are getting it. First point, understood?
Yes, sir.
Then, so whenever debentures are involved, assets are involved, anything other than shares are involved, which account you have to open?
Capital reduction account.
That's what I said in the theory yesterday. Capital reduction account. So anything other than the share, capital reduction account. Close your eyes and write it. So debentures account debit, accrued interest account debit, to capital reduction account 1,68,000. How many of you understood reaction, please? All of reaction. So reaction, those who are having video on. Okay, good. All of you give two times so that I can visit entire area and come back. Very good. So please register in your mind. I know little confusion. So register. It is a normal accounting. Anything which is foregone is a capitalization account. When you go for shares related transaction, you should either debit or credit share surrender account. When they surrender, it is credit. Now it is already we have that profit with us. Let us use the same debit. somewhat connection to forfeited shares account. When the shares are forfeited, credit forfeited shares account. When there is a reissue discount, you debit forfeited shares account. Somewhat, not exactly same. So whenever they surrender, it is a share surrender account. When they're issuing, you have to debit the share surrender account. Easy? Yeah. And so they are actually two different names for the same nominal account. Capital reduction account is also what you call nominal account. Share surrender account is also nominal account. एक account credit हो गया, एक account debit हो गया. Net benefit to me is 68,000. All of you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Yeah. So at the end, okay. So we'll take some questions also on this. So this point, all of you understood. Am I right? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now go to the main answer. Copy. Entry for D1. D1. Copy paste this entry quickly. 12% debentures account debit 1,50,000. Accrued interest account 18,000 debit. To capital reduction account. To capital reduction account 1,68,000. 1,68,000. Next, being 75% of the claims of the debenture holders. 75% of the claims of the debenture holders. of the claims of the debenture holders foregone for consideration of rupees 1 lakh preference shares. Next, D2. So connected entries D2. Share surrender account debit to 12%. Always prefix that percentage to 12% preference share capital account. To 12% preference share capital account. How much?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Being preference shares issued to debenture holders. So out of 100%, 75% is gone. Balance 25% continues. Balance 25% continues. I have already given that chart on the top. So left side we said 168. Right side 50,000 plus 6,000 continues. What did you write on the top actually? It continues, Alva?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It
Yes,
continues.
sir.
Yeah, fine. So any confusion? Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Next. Keep your pen down. Keep your pen down. Literally keep your pen down. Read point number E. Chitrana. We're going to do Chitrana now.
Trade payable claim shall be reduced to 50%. It is to be settled by the issue of equity share of rupees 10 each out of shares surrendered.
Rania, read again.
Trade payables claim shall be reduced to 50%. It is to be settled by the issue of equity shares of rupees 10 each out of shares surrendered.
Yeah, Nakshita or Sudiksha, one of you read again.
Trade payables claim shall be reduced to 50%. It is to be settled by the issue of equity shares of rupees 10 each out of shares surrendered.
Why am I telling you to read multiple times? Because you read carefully. So underline the word reduce to 50%. Next, it is to be settled in a different thing. It is to be settled by what? Equity shares. So I'll give you again 2 minutes time. Use your brain and answer. Here it is not English. It is more of using the brain and answer. Now you know the entries. So point number D, you didn't know the entries. Perfect. I helped you. Now I have told you the way the entries happen. That's why let us do the entries. Shall we?
Yes,
Do
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
Do it. So all of you chat the entries. Short. You can chat in a short. Share capital means yes, see. I understand. Don't worry. Double S means not Shetty sir. Share surrender. And with the amount I want, Sharanya, with the amount, with the figure now, with the amount I want. With the amount. Okay, Sharanya, very good. ಇದೆ ಸಾಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಪೇಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. $205, $201, $282. I'm worried about your answer. Yeah. Jayant, I think again, Jayant, 1 second, I think he has given some entry. Jayant, again, I think you're answering very well today. I think you are right. Your entry anyway went up. Let me search for your entry. Your idea is correct, but entry is not completely correct. Not bad. Think again, think again, think again. Most of you are given wrong figures. Wrong figures. Amounts are wrong, most of you. Because you again English interpretation you need to use. That's the beauty of English in CA course. Even though English is not a very much necessity to CA course, but the basic interpretation is important. We don't have to be masters. MA ka nahi karne ka hai, not required MA in English. But if we don't interpret correctly, then we'll become MS and Konas. That is dangerous. Yeah. Shikala, you sound correct. Sandhya, I think now you are right. Yeah. They change the answer. I want amount, Kritik. I want amount. With the amount, I want, I said, not just the particular entry. Sri Ganesh, you are right. You are given only one answer. Okay. Right on, working out. This is the reason why I given P and Q there. 50% confusion பண்ணிட்டாங்களே. This is where we get confused. Because of the 50%. Yeah. Right on, working out. Number whatever. In the middle of the page, you write trade payables in the balance sheet. Today, I should not use the word trade creditors. You should use the trade payable in corporate accounting. Non-corporate, you can still use, no problem. Trade payables in the balance sheet. How much?
72,000.
72,000.
72,000. 72,000. 2 RMRs. Look at the interpretation. Extremely important. This is the reason why I'm going extremely slow. To understand the English, hardly 3-4 adjustments we have done till now. 1 hour class, 2 RMRs. Claim is reduced to 50%. Reduced to 50%. Below that you write. That is amount payable to them. Amount payable to them is 36,000. Let's say reduce it to 36,000. Barabar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Within the bracket M. Within the bracket M. Let us not use the different. Let us not use the same P and Q. M. Right side. Therefore, green ink. Therefore, amount forgone by them. Amount forgone by them, balance 50%. See, this is where you are confused. Always I am telling you, my dear friend, whenever they 50-50, use notation M and N. Because we will not know which M we are talking about, which N. So if there is a pawan in, there are 2-3 pawans in the class, which pawan I am talking about, I don't know. Like CA Foundation, we have got 5 prajwals in the class. How many prajwals? 5 prajwals. So whenever I want to take what you call some name, or if I want to make a joke, I say prajwal. Now nobody will feel bad. One will think I'm talking about other 4. Second will think that he's talking about other 4. Maja, enjoy. Okay. So here, but education clarity you must have. Which M you are talking about, which N you are talking about. Right side amount, right side, what do you write?
Therefore, amount forgone by them, balance 50%.
That is 36,000 within the bracket N. N. Okay. Now, very important question I'll ask you. It is to be settled by issue of equity shares. Now, wait. It is to be settled. Are they talking? All of you should chat now. It is to be settled by issue of equity share. Are they talking about M? Are they talking about N? So, if you say 36,000, I will not understand. So, I now have a clarity now. This is the beauty of understanding. Okay, so go for a workings. Okay. Are they talking about M? Are they talking about N? All of you chat. Nishita. Okay. M, N, 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 M, M. N. Still we have something. Very good, great. Type. All of you type. All of you chat. All of you chat. All of you chat. Now let us use the common sense. It is commonly missing in common people, isn't it? Yeah. Very good, Sudiksha. I like your language. N, they have already forgone. Where a question of settlement here? Where a question of settlement here? See, look at me. You are supposed to pay me 100 rupees. 100 rupees. I'll make it easy for understanding purpose. So, let's say, out of 100 rupees, I say 40% I'll forgo. How much I forgo?
40%.
So how much you're supposed to pay me?
60 rupees.
60%.
Initially, you're supposed to pay me 60 rupees by cash. Now I say that it is to be settled by one masala dosa in SLV hotel. 60 rupees worth. That means 40 rupees you are settling or 60 rupees you are settling?
60 rupees.
60 rupees. 60 rupees.
Another question of giving answer for here. It is not possible at all. So below the left side, it is to be settled. Below M. So that 36,000 was payable, but in what form we are going to pay them? Right. It is to be settled. It is to be settled by issue of
Equity shares.
Equity shares of rupees 36,000. 36,000 out of P Supra. What is P?
5 lakh.
Share surrender account.
5 lakh minus 1 lakh, 4 lakh.
Yeah, excellent. So, very good. So, 5 lakh gone, 1 lakh gone, now 36,000 gone. Whereas 3,64,000 is available with us. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, out of P Supra. Completely below that. Now, connect left with right. Ardha Chandra. And right. It means, Sandhya, entire trade payables of 72,000 has to be cancelled. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Entire trade payables of rupees 70,000 has to be cancelled. 90% of the students have initially given the answer 36,000. I'll tell you how stupid it is in the case. All of us, no problem, interpret. How stupid we are if I do that. Will you tell me why? See, 70,000 was in the balance sheet. 36,000 rupees I cancel. Let us assume. And I'll give them what? Equity share capital. And other 36,000 creditors. That means what did they forego? Their claim is reduced by 50%. If you say 36,000, so earlier in the balance sheet, 72,000 we had a share capital. So 72,000 is replaced by 36,000 trade creditors, 36,000 share capital. What did they forego? They are not reduced anything. Second common sense to interpret. I am not saying it is an easy adjustment. I agree with that. But still, you have to improve that common sense. Extremely important. Enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, such a small problem, but look at the way I selected the question. Extraordinarily good. And I always want you to be prepared for the worst possible scenario so that you can shine. Yeah, you can shine. 100 out of 100 you should get in account. And it's possible. Trade payable. Correct those, right? How much forgone?
36.
70,000. Therefore, the entries are to strictly follow the consistency. Like the previous entry. The entries are 2 RMRs. Now, I'm sure all of you will be able to tell the answer. Trade payables account debit to capital reduction account because it is not shares related, Kirti.
Yes, sir.
Trade payables account debit to capital reduction account. How much amount?
72,000.
72,000.
72,000.
Excellent. Very good. 72,000. Right side.
Share surrender account.
Yeah, Sandhya, madam.
Share surrender account debit to equity share capital account 36,000.
With full confidence. With full confidence, Sandhya. I want answer with full confidence.
Yes, sir.
Share surrender account debit to equity share capital 36,000. So all of you, for your understanding, left side to capital reduction account within the bracket X1 and the repetition. I know same X1. Right side share surrender debit X2. Now below that you write therefore net gain to the company is equal to X1 minus X2 is equal to 36,000, comma, matching with the N supra, matching with the ML, matching with the N supra, N for, okay, Nelamangala, N, they have forgone ultimately how much?
36,000.
50%, 36,000.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Entire notes you read, Kirti, that working note number, whatever.
Working note number 6, trade payable in balance sheet 72,000, 2 arrow marks. Claim, first one, claim is reduced to 50%, that is amount payable to them is 36,000 M. Their second arrow mark, therefore, amount forgone by them balance 50% is equal to 36,000 N. M left side, it is to be settled by issue of equity share of rupees 36,000 out of P Supra. Arrow mark, it means entire trade payable of 72,000 is to be settled. Therefore, the entries are 2 arrow marks, trade payable account debit to capital reduction account 72,000, capital reduction account X1, share surrender account X2 36,000 to equity share capital account 36,000. Therefore, net gain to the company X1 minus X2 is equal to 36,000 matching with N Supra.
Yeah, see the answer is available down. I don't want to show the answer because see the course where you have to apply your mind, not just, so I can write in the board and I show you. But I will improve, but I want you to improve, use your brain. Let us take a little extra time in preparation, no issue. But let us keep on using the brain, and by using the brain, this will get appreciated. Okay, this portion. All of you understood this, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you enjoyed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
A small general note you write. Still, I think some people might have some confusion for that. General note. Consider trade payable rupees 100. Comma. They forgo 60%. Or 50-50 confusion we have. They get clarity. They forgo 60%. Comma. Balance is settled. I am using the right word now for understanding. They forgo 60%. Balance is settled. Balance is settled by one masala dosa, 40 rupees. Now, only imagination.
Yes, sir.
And at home you can do it now. Why you want to imagine at the hotel only? You want some extra flavors.
Chutney, sir.
Huh?
Chutney, sir. Asali chutney.
Chutney you are missing, is it? Yeah, I know. Also, when they do masala dosa, pani puri, etc., they give some extra flavors. That's also you were missing. I don't know.
Sir.
Yeah, continue. What is that?
Balance is settled by.
Balance is settled by
One masala dosa.
One masala dosa, rupees 40.
rupees 40. So, middle of the page. Amount payable rupees 100. 2 arrow marks. Left side. Amount to continue to be payable. M is equal to 40. M is equal to 40. Right side. Amount forgone 60.
N.
So N underline. So below the left side, below M, what do you write? Settled by below M.
Settled by one masala.
One masala dosa.
MD. So connect left with right. After this transaction,
Balance amount payable is nil.
balance payable is to
Nil.
excellent. Wow, very good. You have almost become a second Shetty sir from brain. Okay.
Sir.
Serious. That's the language I want to use, and you use the same language. Very happy. Maybe. Okay, next 6 months, if you, after your CA intermediate or final, okay, you can take on my classes. I'll be happy. You're using the right word. Very happy. I'm very serious. Connect now. Sadhya, you continue. Okay. I will also continue. So, very happy. Shishya Dichet Parajayat, we say. I always expect a defeat from a student. I'll be the first person to accept the defeat. When a student goes above me, I'll be very happy. Correct and right? Balance amount payable is nil. Therefore, the entry is what? Trade payable account. Trade payable, I use the word 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trade payable 100. I'm taking general note. Trade payable account 100. To Masal. Again, Masal Dosa. Or to bank account, whatever way. Masal Dosa or bank account 40. To income. I'm just using a general knowledge. To income or the profit 60. The net impact of the above two entries. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
One more working note. This anyway, you can do it to a ledger account. Okay. The balance left out of T.
Share surrender.
T, that is share surrender account, is equal to 5 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 36,000.
36,000.
You can prepare a ledger account in your 5 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 36,000 is equal to 3,64,000 to be transferred to
Capital reduction account.
You are right. You are right. You are ready with the answer, Akshita. Very good. Excellent. Healthy competition. Excellent. To be transferred to capitalization account. What is the entry?
Share surrender.
Surrender
Account debit to
capital
capital
reduction account.
Share surrender debit to capitalization account. This you should not forget. Share surrender account debit to capitalization account. 3,64,000. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
About that the interpretation of D and E, and also about no entry for converting it into preference shares. That you take care. All the entry. Go to the main answer now. Here E1. Trade payable account debit 72,000. 2. Capital section account 72,000. Being entire claim forgone, entire claim forgone in lieu of IN space LIEU, in lieu of what?
Issue of
equity shares
Equity
of
shares.
50%.
In lieu of equity shares of rupees 36,000. In lieu of equity shares of 36,000. Close the bracket. E2. That writing E1, E2 also will make you to understand. Oh, this is the for adjustment number E. Absolutely fine. E1, E2. When in the exam you can follow. Unless they give the dates for journal entry, you can always go by this. What entry E2?
Share
Share surrender account debit 36,000 to
Equity share capital.
equity share capital.
Share surrender account debit 36,000 to equity share capital account 36,000. Being 50% of the trade payables settled. 50% of the trade payables settled. Semicolon. Balance 50%, they are forgone. 50% you have paid them, 50% they are forgone. That means effectively how much they are forgone? 100%. How much they are written off? Close the bracket. Next, entry number. Said F, but F should be the last item. So you can write now G for your understanding. G. Share surrender account debit to capitalization account. Working out you can refer. much they want?
3 lakh.
3,64,000.
1,000.
That's 54,000. 3,64,000. Being ultimate balance in share surrender. Ultimate balance in share surrender transfer. Like. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
You should also actually prepare a capital reduction account, but here hardly anything. The calculator also you can do it. Last entry. Capital reduction account debit. Either you can prepare a ledger account or in the calculator, wherever there is a capital reduction account, plus minus you do it. How much is the balance? Anyone? Total balance. All the entries. If there is a credit, you plus. If there is a debit, you minus. I think till now everything is credit only, am I right?
Yes, sir. 6,04,000.
Perfect. Capital reduction account, 6,04,000. Within the bracket, you write, within the bracket, there only. Ultimate balance in this account. For which you have to prepare a ledger account if required. Ultimate balance in this account. 6,04,000. 2.
P&L account 6 lakh.
Number 1. 2. Number 1. P&L account 6 lakh.
To capital reserve.
Capital reserve account
Wait.
4,000.
2
Too
P&L.
good.
2
Fictitious asset.
P&L account. Very good. 2 P&L account 6 lakh. Number 1. Heading. So even if not given as a format, I'll give you. Example, you write what is there. 2 P&L account compulsory. Next 2.
Fictitious asset.
2 fictitious assets, if any. Even if they're not given, you must write off. 2 fictitious assets, if any, nil. In this question, nil. Example, you don't write all this. Next 2.
Goodwill.
Goodwill account.
Goodwill, if any. Very good. Nil. 2.
Greening capital reserve.
Beginning. So capital reserve, which is a bracket, balancing figure. 4,000. Understood the journal entries?
Yes, sir.
Being balance in capital reduction account utilized. Balance in capital reduction account utilized for writing of P&L and the ultimate balance is transferred to capital. Clear about it?
Yes, sir.
So we understood the journal entries. Now you have to prepare a balance sheet. I think balance sheet you can do it, not a big deal. If you want, I can help you out later. So balance sheet, just go to the balance sheet for a minute. Just show the balance sheet, Sri Ganesh. So you know now what has come down, what has gone up. Otherwise, just you have to change it. Up. No. Question. You have to do it in a new format only. Questions may be asked in the old format. Wait. So you look at the answer now, just to give a conclusive remark. Machinery, we never touched anywhere in the entries. It will remain as 1 lakh. Inventory, did we touch? No. Trade receivable? No. Bank, did we issue any shares or receive any money? I don't think so. So
No, sir.
everything will remain same. Assets and all items will remain mutatis mutandis, same except P&L account balance. That is gone. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Share capital now, share capital will change because we have equity share capital now 5 lakh rupees starting entry. Then preference share capital, you issued those preference shares, sir. How much? 1,36,000. Am I right?
Only
Yes,
1
sir.
lakh.
Only
Only
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
And
36.
trade payable,
36.
okay.
Fictitious.
Equity share. So preference share capital will be 1 lakh. Equity share capital will be 5 lakh plus 36,000. Correct, 5 lakh 36,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then debentures. Debenture holders, will it continue or will it is it done with?
25% will continue.
Will continue, sir. 50,000 will continue. Accrued interest.
Accrued interest 6,000 will continue. Then trade payable, will it continue?
Yes, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Trade payable will not.
No, sir. Nil.
Provision 4,000. Then one special item, capital reserve will come under reserve
Capital.
4,000. Balance sheet is done. So easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just to conclude, there are two approaches for internal reconstruction. Capital reduction account approach is very easy. Any profiter transfer to capital reduction account initially, then at the end use the same for writing in the following order only: P&L account debit balance, fictitious assets, goodwill if any other asset if they give, and any balance transfer to capital. Share surrender, very very important, extremely crucial. Share surrender, all transactions related to shares routed through share surrender account. Balance transfer to capital account, and ultimately then you go with the same writing of that 4 items. And finally, what are the balance transfer to capital? Reasonably understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.